You're welcome to my YouTube channel once again. Today I want to quickly share with you how you can access your LinkedIn URL profile on your mobile device. You can either access it through your laptop or through the website. And a couple of us don't really want to do that. We want to be able to access it on our mobile app. So you can do this, you can perform this operation either with an iOS device or an Android device. So quickly, I'll just show you how to do this. And before we proceed, I'd like you to click the like button of this video and also subscribe for more contents like this. So quickly, let us dive into it. So what you will do first, just click on your LinkedIn app, just as I just did. If you don't have the LinkedIn app, you have to download it. So when you've clicked on your LinkedIn app, this is my LinkedIn app, so it opens. So on the top left corner of your LinkedIn app, so click on the picture. So that's my profile picture there. So you click on the view profile option. So when it opens up, come to the add session, this place where you have the add session area. Click on the three dots. Then when you click on it, you'll see share via, contact info, and about this. You also see send profile in a message. So you can either choose to share your LinkedIn profile through any of this medium. So for this case, we're going to click on the contact info, and of course this will open up. You'll have your profile with the URL on that, and of course you have your phone number and a couple of other information, which is your email in this particular page, on this particular page rather. So when you click on the LinkedIn profile, it also opens up another option for you to share via and also copy. So you can either choose to copy and of course go to any of the platforms you wish to share the stuff and then paste it there, or just choose share via, and a couple of options will pop up for you to share the software, or rather the URL. So if you find this useful, please click the like button and then subscribe. Also try and share this video for more content. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.